Welcome back to a new episode of the Animal Odyssey. Today we're diving into the world of whales, giants of the ocean that are more incredible than you ever imagined. We're about to uncover 5 stunning facts that will completely change the way you see them, and trust me, fact number 5 is going to blow your mind. Stick around until the end because we've got an amazing surprise waiting for you. Now let's dive in. The biggest heart on Earth. The blue whale isn't just the largest animal on Earth, it has the biggest heart of any living creature. Imagine a heart the size of a compact car, weighing more than 400 pounds. But here's the really crazy part. When it beats, you can actually hear it from over 2 miles away. That's louder than a drum at a rock concert. And get this, its arteries are so large that a human could literally crawl through them. This massive heart pumps 10 tons of blood through the whale's body, keeping this ocean giant moving through the deep. But there's another mind-blowing fact. A blue whale's heartbeat slows down drastically when it dives. While resting at the ocean's surface, its heart beats about 15 times per minute. But when it plunges into the deep, it slows to just 2 beats per minute. Scientists believe this helps whales conserve oxygen and stay underwater longer. This is just one of the many ways these ocean giants have adapted to life in the water. But how did whales become so enormous? The answer takes us back millions of years. Whales used to walk on land? Believe it or not, whales weren't always ocean creatures. Millions of years ago, their ancestors walked on land. Meet Pachycetus, a 4-legged wolf-like animal that lived along riverbanks and hunted in shallow waters. Over millions of years, these creatures adapted to life in water. Their legs evolved into flippers, their nostrils moved to the top of their heads, and they transformed into the majestic whales we know today. But the evolution of whales isn't just about getting bigger and stronger. There are some truly bizarre adaptations too. For example, did you know that modern whales still have tiny hidden leg bones inside their bodies? These vestigial bones are left over from their land-dwelling ancestors and serve no purpose today. They remain as a fascinating link to the past. If whales had never left land, can you imagine seeing a 20-ton predator walking around today? That's a terrifying thought. But while whales gave up their legs for fins, gained something even more incredible, the ability to explore the deepest parts of the ocean. The deepest diver on the planet, think you can hold your breath? A sperm whale can dive over 10,000 feet. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall, and it does this on a single breath, holding it for nearly 2 hours while hunting giant squid in the darkness. Down in the deep sea, where the pressure is so strong it would crush a submarine, sperm whales navigate and hunt using echolocation. They send out clicks louder than a jet engine, which bounce off objects and reveal their surroundings. To their prey, it must feel like being caught in an underwater explosion. But here's an even crazier fact. When sperm whales dive, they actually shut down half of their brain. This allows them to enter a state of unihemispheric sleep, meaning one side of their brain sleeps while the other stays awake. This keeps them alert for predators and allows them to continue breathing as they rest. No other animal sleeps quite like this, making whales some of the most unique creatures on the planet. This one is heartbreaking. Meet the 52 Hertz whale, also known as the world's loneliest whale. Unlike other whales, it sings at an unusual frequency, 52 Hertz, meaning no other whale understands its calls. For decades, scientists have been tracking this lonely traveler across the ocean, but it has never been seen with a pod. Some believe it's a completely undiscovered species, while others think it's just an unfortunate anomaly. But there's another mystery here. Whales use sound not just to communicate, but also to navigate and map their environment. This means the 52 Hertz whale could be living in total isolation, unable to connect with any other whale in the ocean. Imagine calling out for companionship your entire life and never receiving an answer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Imagine if you could live for over 200 years. Well, bowhead whales do. Some of these incredible creatures were alive before the invention of the light bulb. In fact, scientists have found stone harpoons from the 1800s embedded in their blubber, proof that some of these whales were around before the Industrial Revolution. So what's their secret? Bowhead whales have genes that repair DNA damage and slow aging. Scientists are now studying these immortal genes in hopes of unlocking the secrets to human longevity. And here's something even wilder. Bowhead whales have the thickest blubber of any animal on Earth, sometimes reaching up to 20 inches. This natural insulation allows them to thrive in the freezing Arctic waters. Their powerful immune systems and resistance to cancer also contribute to their record-breaking lifespans. Could the key to human longevity be swimming in Arctic waters right now? What if I told you whales might have a hidden language as complex as ours? Scientists are using AI to decode whale songs, and the results are mind-blowing. Different whale pods have unique dialects, and some experts believe whales even give each other names. Could we one day have full conversations with whales? Imagine the possibilities. Recent studies suggest that sperm whales have a form of syntax, meaning their clicks may follow rules similar to human grammar. This means whales might not just be making random noises. They could actually be forming sentences. If this is true, it would mean whales have been speaking their own complex language for millions of years without us even realizing it. Whales are more than just ocean giants. They are ancient survivors, deep-sea adventurers, and maybe even the keepers of a language we have yet to understand. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you love discovering mind-blowing animal facts, don't forget to subscribe to the Animal Odyssey. Check out our previous videos for more incredible stories, and don't miss out on what's coming next. It's going to be something truly exciting. See you in the next adventure!